What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from iDrive 360, home to what will be the world's tallest StarFlyer. And we're checking out some construction. We can see there's a whole bunch of new segments for the tower that have been erected just in the last week or two. And it looks like we have enough to make the travel up to the very top at over 400 feet. We're gonna go around and show you some stuff. Let's go. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the very top of the StarFlyer. It's going to be a really nice chrome polished look. This tower should really light up at night, as I see lights all over the place on this thing. It's going to be pretty interesting. And I can also see one of the aircraft beacons on here. Well, this is new. We have a valet lot for Charlie's Steakhouse. We can see cars parking in here, but that gives us a much closer view of the StarFlyer. It's so shiny you can see your reflection. And what is this that I see? Yes, indeed, we have the seats and the chains here. So yeah, the ride vehicle is pretty much ready to go. Well, if you haven't figured it out already, this is the main carriage that's going to hold everybody, and we can see several sets of seats, at least 4 or 5 of them, around the area. That's good news, guys. Most of the work on the building is done. We just have some markers on the ground over here for the main pathway leading in. But yeah, they're going to start putting stuff inside pretty soon, and I'm expecting probably this is going to open in the next month or two, with the actual tower going up sometime in the next couple weeks. And as you saw a little bit earlier, this area is now open for cars, and we have the planters ready, so we just need some shrubberies and trees. Well guys, that is going to do it for our update here from iDrive 360, home of what will be the world's tallest StarFlyer at over 400 feet. Can't wait guys, the lighting package is going to be absolutely incredible for it. And we should have some vertical construction happening very soon. I'm thinking that thing's only going to take a couple days to actually get in the air. But we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.